morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're vlogging. If you guys see I'm like this, is because I filmed a video for you. Tomorrow I have work, so I got to do my laundry, which is already in the washer. I just got to put it in the dryer, and then I need to do a little bit of cleaning up because it is a little bit messy in here, you know. Shh. Excuse me, my hair looks a mess. I know when it's like foggy outside, the weather just like ugh. And even though I'm in the house, it still messes with my hair. I curled it twice today and it's not even noon yet. Like, I don't even know. But yeah. What are you doing down there? Are you trying to drink my coffee? Are you really trying to drink mommy's coffee? You know I got lipstick all on it. You're too little. Okay guys, so Kai's upstairs taking a nap. I wanted a grilled cheese. That just sounded so good. So I am like, yeah, I am about to, with not just any plain old grilled cheese, I want it with tomato soup. So I got my grilled cheese and my tomato soup going. So excited. Grilled cheese, tomato soup. Got the other grilled cheese ready to go. I mean, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to eat this grilled cheese sandwich for lunch. Is that weird? I'm excited to eat a grilled cheese for lunch, and I'm really excited because Kai's sleeping. So it's like, yes. I can actually eat lunch in peace while I can get some work done, you know? It's almost time for Kai's bed. We're having dinner really late because really no one really felt like cooking, to be honest. So here we're just going to be having some of this little Velveeta skillets, the ultimate cheeseburger and mac. And Kai is over here just having some, what is he having, Grandma?
He's having banana and blueberry, turkey and sweet potatoes with cinnamon.
Yum, which he absolutely loves cinnamon. Huh? You love it. Oh no? Okay.
No.
But yeah, so that's what's going on. I almost forgot I was vlogging today. I got so caught up in the computer, I forgot. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. And then it just dawned on me when I was in here. I was like, oh my gosh, Kai, I forgot I was vlogging.
The following day.
Okay guys, so as you can see, it's the next day, and I actually just got here to work. I'm due to be in there at 4 o'clock. Okay. And I work from 4 to 8. It's Wednesday, which is free pie, so I want to just like take a nap, you know? I don't know. I'm sure you know. If you're a working mom, you know. Even if you're not a single working mom, I'm still sure you know the gist of that because it's a really hard job. Yeah, right now I'm just trying to get my stuff together. I got my badge so I could just clock in because it's 3:56, and when I get here I like to clock in right at the time I'm supposed to clock in so I can just start working. You know what I mean? Like, I hate having to sit in there and wait to clock in. That is my biggest pet peeve. I feel like I could have just waited in the car. I had to lock my door because I just looked over and I realized it was unlocked, and I always lock my doors when I'm sitting here no matter what, okay? Kai, he's been on a rampage today. I don't know what's going on. He's been a rebel. He's been doing whatever he wants. So he's, yeah. But I mean, I still love him, you know? Even though he's giving me a run for my money, I still love him. So I'm gonna go in here.
Hi guys, it's Tonette here. If you haven't watched my previous video, click here. And if you haven't seen my last video, click right over there. And don't forget to check out my social media down below. I mean, come on, let's be friends. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Bye guys.